should have known you was in here. I saw the dripping from the driveway. Follow the drip, follow the drip. They've never had no problem finding me.
Oh, what up YouTube? Welcome to the channel, cut some more. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share, jump right on in. What's going on today? We've got a really special video, one of a few. It's gonna be a series of videos we're doing. If anybody's been paying attention, you know that the cordless clipper game is going ham right now. Like, I've gone completely cordless. I don't have any cords whatsoever at my station, and I'm really digging that. This series of videos, what I'm gonna be doing is taking a look at what are some of the better cordless clippers. Why should you get them? I'm gonna unbox them, I'm gonna review them, I'm even gonna compare them against each other, because we know with the new release of the 1919 100-year anniversary edition of the Wahl limited edition joint, it's gonna go ham. It's gonna go ham. So do we need to get that? Do we need to look that far? Do we need to get that? Let's check out what we already got and see where we at. First clipper we're gonna talk about, the Wahl Cordless Sterling. Now, a few bullet points about this clipper is it's gonna have a 90-minute runtime. Of course, it's a cordless clipper, so the lithium-ion battery is what really helps it out to have that 90-minute runtime, which is 20 more minutes than the newly released cordless senior. So let's go ahead and take it, open it up, and look at what it comes with. It's gonna come with the charging, and I think this is like a universal style charger. If you have one of these, you can use them for the Wahl series of cordless clippers that have already come out. You're gonna get this black comb, where with the cordless senior, you get the white comb, you get the little black comb here. You're gonna get the standard oil with a brush. And I use that brush when I do my kiss lines on the beards. That brush for it. You're gonna get these little attachments that you can use. One is red, one is white, and one is purple, and I'll show you where those go in a moment. And you get the Wahl half guard and the Wahl 1.5 guard. And I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not using that shit. I'm not using those. I've got premium guards. I am not using the bullshit Wahl guards anymore. I'm not doing it. And of course, the clipper in all of its splendor, the Wahl Cordless Sterling 4. Now, this clipper was released quite some time ago, I believe, and we got some guards here too. These guards, the 1 through the 8, I think, and these are trash. Once you use the these guards are trash. Once the Wahl Premium guard set, you'll never want to go back to these at all, ever. So this is everything that it comes with. This is a really nice looking, really solid clipper. These are really good to keep them protected if you're gonna have them like stored in the clipper box or anything like that. And let's take a look at the blade. Let's take a look at the blade. It doesn't come zero gap. You're gonna have to do that yourself. Fresh out of the box. As you see, we've got that taper style blade, which makes it easier for that scooping motion. Not like the surgical blade that you get on the Magic Clip or the cordless senior. That is the blade. Specs on the clipper. One important thing to note is that this clipper opens up from a 3 to a half, from a 3 to a half. So that's not a ton of tapering area, but with the Wahl Premium Guard system, especially the Premium Guard system, it does a really good job to add that half to each guard to get the blending and tapering that you really want. So this is a really solid build. Let's take a quick sound test and let's try to see what the power is like on this one. Yo, it feels pretty strong, man. This feels like a pretty strong clipper. I really like, I like this. I can't wait to use it. We're gonna put this clipper to use inside of the shop. I'm gonna get back with my full review and comparison of not only the Wahl Sterling, the Cordless Sterling 4, I'm also gonna be putting it to the test with the Wahl Cordless Senior and the Magic Clip. So this has been Molo the Barber. This is Cut Some Mo. Do not forget to like, subscribe. Thank you all for supporting the channel. There's gonna be plenty more reviews, tons more stuff coming. Thank you for joining me in today's episode of Cut Some More, where your image is my vision. We out.